table of units. As we can see, we have two tables, one in liter and the second in meter cube. And as we can see, if you are going downward, we have to multiply. If you are going upward, we have to divide in the two tables. Okay? And for the first table, between each unit, we have to divide or multiply by 10. In the second table, between each unit, we have to multiply or divide by 10 power 3. 10 power 3, it means 1000. Okay? And we have to memorize these three formulas that allows us to convert from the first table to the second or from the second to the first. Okay? So we have 1 kiloliter equal to 1 meter cube, 1 liter equal to 1 decimeter cube, and 1 milliliter equal to 1 centimeter cube. And vice versa, if we have 1 centimeter cube equal 1 milliliter, 1 decimeter cube equal 1 liter, and 1 meter cube equal 1 kiloliter. And this is an important note, that if we multiply by 10 or by 1000 or by million, means we have to move the decimal point to the right. If we have to divide, means we have to move the decimal point to left. Okay? For example, if we have 2 centimeter cube, we want to convert from 2 centimeter cube to meter cube. So we'll use the second table. Here, the centimeter cube. Okay? Meter cube is here. So if we want to convert from centimeter cube to meter cube, we are going upward. So we have to divide. Divide by what? We simply count the zeros. From centimeter cube here, there are 3 zeros, and from decimeter cube to meter cube another 3 zeros. So we have to divide by 1 million. Okay? Since we are dividing, it means that we have to move the decimal point to left. So it gives 0.00002 meter cube. To convert from 20 deciliter to milliliter, so we'll use the first table. Deciliter is here and milliliter is here. So we are going downward, so we have to multiply. Multiply by what? Simply count the zeros. From deciliter to centiliter, 1 0. From centiliter to milliliter, another 0. So we have 2 zeros. So we will multiply by 100. 20 multiplied by 100, it gives 2000 milliliter. Now, to convert from milliliter to millimeter cube, so here we are converting from the first table to the second. If you are converting from the first table to the second, we need one of these three formulas. Okay? We know that milliliter is equal to centimeter cube from this formula here. Okay? So instead of writing 2 milliliter, I can write 2 centimeter cube. Now I switched from the first table to the second. Now I am in centimeter cube. I can simply convert from centimeter cube to millimeter cube. To convert from centimeter cube to millimeter cube, I am going downward, so I have to multiply. Multiply by what? Simply I have to count the number of zeros. So from centimeter cube to millimeter cube, I have only 3 zeros. So I will multiply by 1000. 2 times 1000, it gives me 2000 millimeter cube. Now from I have to convert from millimeter cube to deciliter. So I have to go from the second table to the first. So I have to choose one of these three formulas. Okay, here meter cube, I have here meter cube. Meter cube is equal to what? Is equal to kiloliter. So instead of writing meter cube, I can write kiloliter. Okay, so 3 meter cube equal 3 kiloliter. Now I switched from the second table to the first table. I am now in kiloliter, so I have to convert from kiloliter to deciliter. Okay, I am going downward, so I have to multiply by what? By which number? I have to count the zeros. From kiloliter to hectoliter, 1 0. From hectoliter to decaliter, another 0. So we have here two zeros, here 3 and 4. So I have 2 multiply by 10,000. Okay, 3 times 10,000 gives me 30,000 deciliter. Type. Now I have to convert from 5 decameter cube to centiliter. So I have to convert from the second table to the first. As we can see, we don't have decameter cube in these three formulas. Okay, what do? I have to convert from first step. I have to convert from decameter cube to one of these three units. So I have to convert from decameter cube to meter cube, then from meter cube to kiloliter, then from kiloliter to centiliter, or convert from decameter cube to decimeter cube. Okay, then switch to liter, then convert from liter to centiliter, or convert from decameter cube to centimeter cube, and then it's equal to milliliter, and then from milliliter to decameter cube. Okay, so here I convert from decameter cube to meter cube. Decameter cube to meter cube, I am going downward, so I have to multiply by 1000. 5 times 1000 gives me 5000 meter cube. Meter cube means kiloliter. Okay, so instead of writing 5000 meter cube, I can write 5000 kiloliter. Now I have to convert from kiloliter to centiliter. Kiloliter to centiliter, I am going downward, so I have to multiply by what? I have to count the number of zeros. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 zeros. Okay, so I have to multiply by 100,000. 5,000 times 100,000 gives me 500 million centiliter.